This orange screw is tough enough to anchor tents, tarps, and other lines easily and securely. It can handle up to 650 pounds, and it's made in the US from recycled materials.
Hi, I'm Kirby, founder of Orange Screw. The Orange Screw is an innovative, lightweight, rust-proof, and easy-to-use ground anchor made of 100% recycled materials and manufactured in Washington State. Most stores sell tarps, tarp clips, bungee cords, and ropes, but no truly high-performance and portable ground anchors. With this knowledge, our family crafted the Orange Screw. If you've ever had a tent stake or ground anchor fail in the wind or rain, you'll understand why we wanted to create a better product. Our patented helical shape was refined after years of prototyping in varying soil conditions. Today, the Orange Screw has the smoothest insertion and removal of any ground anchor we have tested and incredible holding power. Orange screws are available in 2 sizes, and the protective sleeve becomes the drive handle. The small Orange Screw weighs in at only 1.8 ounces, yet holds up to 400 pounds. The large Orange Screw weighs only 3.6 ounces and has a pull-out strength of over 600 pounds. It's time to simplify your gear and use the Orange Screw to replace rusty metal dog tie-outs, secure your RV awning in the wind, keep a tarp over your boat, ATV, or firewood, ensure your tent stays where you place it, and so much more.